Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing Airplane 2. And let us play. I will see you when I get on the airplane. We are on the airplane. Yes, I got the front row woo. Let me sit. Bro, let me sit. Hello. The normal intro airplane to woo. Hello, Keely. Why does it take long to sit? And why do I keep zooming in and out? I am already in my seat. Sit down. Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah. Did anyone else see that? And also, they walked through the door. That is just what I said. Stop copying me. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I feel like he is sleeping, not getting ready. I just have a courage to break a glass. I just drink water and I break the glass. What? Wait, is the agent moonwalking, or is that just me? I just want to break the glass so bad. Hey, want to see a magic trick? If yes, look. Bam. Did you like the magic trick? If yes, like and comment woo. Okay. Give me the broom quick. We know. How would you know? Yeah, I had to restart the game, and I ate the soup as fast as possible.
President, build the brick wall.
Me, already did. Bro, the code is so easy. Brew, we have to make all the computers yellow. Brew, that is so easy. Fast finger time. Suspicious, very suspicious. Yay. You, me, and someone found it. Bro, he said that not me, the game glitched. Okay. Why is the curtain moving by itself? Bro, it is him, run.
He is back, oh God!
Run. Did they really die from the lava? I'm done, I'm telling you. And am I going to say stop with the red screen too? Why would the aircraft put this wall here? They really oofed from the lava? Brew. And who is we? I am the only one alive in this plane. I know this is not the time, but stop with the black and white and red screens. How would I know? I don't know, but when the phone rang, I got scared. Who is Gers? I am the only one alive. Brew, I am not affected from the dark at all. Okay, but quick. You don't say. And I said stop with the black and white screens. She took literally an entire minute to open a simple door, bro, that took so long. I don't know. Me? She knows she just said that in the phone. I freaking know. Brew. Can I be the pilot again? But let him not say my name with captions. What you errant let me speak with the manager, Karen Time. Okay. Brew, he sounds like a little kid thinking his dad is a monster. I hope you liked the vid. If you did, like and subscribe, and goodbye.